Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Wetstein again. Today I'm talking a little bit quieter because it's early in the morning. Guess what time it is? It's 1/2 past what? The minute hand's pointing down at the 6. The hour hand's pointing down. Actually, the hour hand should be over here past the 6. After 6, but not to 7 yet. It's 6:30. That means it's 6:30. It's 6:30 in the morning. Mrs. Wetstein, why are you up at 6:30 in the morning talking to us? Because we have to check our temperature 3 times today. So today what you need is your paper with your 3 thermometers that says morning, afternoon, and night. You'll also need your thermometer that you can move the red on, a red crayon, and a pencil. All right, so our first job, boys and girls, is on our paper. We are going to write 6:30 for the morning one. So we're gonna write 6, then we write the 2 dots, that's called a colon, and then 30, because it is 6:30 this morning. I'm gonna check our thermometer outside to see what the temperature is. Let's see. This morning, our thermometer outside says it is more than 40. What line would this be? If this one's 40 and this one's 60, this would be, remember, count by tens, 40, 50, 60. So when we brought it in, it was 48 degrees. I notice already that it's going up because it is warmer in my house than it is outside. All right, boys and girls. So today we're gonna take our thermometer with the red and we're gonna make 48 degrees. So we're gonna go down to 40 and then we're gonna go up 8 of those little lines. So we're close to 50, but not quite there. And that's how we're going to draw it on our thermometer with our red crayon also. So I'm going to draw a line just below the 50, and then I'm going to color it in. It is 48 degrees outside this morning. Now, boys and girls, this afternoon, do you think it will be warmer or colder? Well, you think about it, and I'll see you later today. Bye, boys and girls.
Boys and girls, guess what? It's 1:30. Look quickly. That means it's 1:30. That's what time it is when it's 1/2 the hour. It's 30 minutes after the hour. Like on our clock here, remember how not all the numbers are on this clock? So after 12 on a clock comes 1, then 2, then 3. The hour hand is in between the 1 and the 2. That means it's after 1 o'clock, but it's not 2 o'clock yet. And our minute hand is down at the 6. That means it's 1/2 or 30 minutes past. So we could say 1/2 or we could say 1:30. That's what time it is. And at this time, we're going to check our weather again. So on my thermometer page, I have our morning. At 6:30 this morning. Now our afternoon, I'm going to write 1 and then those 2 dots that mean a colon. So this is the hour over here. These are the minutes. 30 are how many minutes it is after the hour. And now we're gonna check the temperature. Now, boys and girls, today is a very unusual spring day because it got cold again. Let's see if it's warmer than this morning or colder than this morning. I'm gonna grab our thermometer. Whew, and look, the kid's here. Hi, kid. Okay, here we have it. Right now, outside, it is 62 degrees. Okay, here's the 60. You can see the red line goes all the way to the 60 and just a little bit past. It is 62 degrees outside right now. So we're gonna mark that. First, I'm gonna make it on here to make sure I understand how to make 62. So I'm gonna go to the 60, and then I'm just gonna go a little bit past. Just a little bit past, not all the way to the middle because that would be 65. Just a little bit past, so 62 degrees. Now I'm gonna draw that on my afternoon thermometer. So I'm gonna go to the line that says 60, and I'll draw a line there first. And then I'm gonna go just a little bit above, not all the way to this line, that would be 65. We wanna go to 62. And then I'm going to color it in. All right, let's look at our two thermometers here. Did it get warmer or colder since this morning? If you said warmer, you're right, because the temperature has gone up to a higher number. The higher the number, the warmer it is. The lower the number, the colder it is. So now we have to check tonight. So I'll see you again later. Hi, boys and girls. It is our third time to check on the temperature today because it is 8 o'clock. If we look at our analog clock, we have the hour hand pointing to what would be the 8 and the minute hand pointing straight up at the 12. 8 o'clock. And on my digital watch, it is 8 is the hour, 0, 0. You see it now? 0, 0 are the minutes. So it is 8 o'clock. So I'm heading outside to check our thermometer. All right, boys and girls. Right now it is at 50, and it's right in the middle of 50 and 60. So that would be 55 degrees. Notice as we hold it here that the red is going up because it is warmer inside my house than it is outside. So 55 degrees. So here we go. First, we're going to make it on our paper thermometer. So I'm going to bring the red down to 50 and then bring it up into the middle of 50 and 60. So 55 degrees. Oh, I'm sorry, 55 degrees. I went to 60 before, silly Mrs. Wetstein. 55 degrees. So now I'm going to go to my night. And first I'm going to write 8, the 2 dots that are called a colon that separate the hour from the minutes, 8 o'clock. And then I'm going to go to the 50 and I'm going to draw a line. And then I'm going to carefully go up just a little bit in the middle of 50 and 60 to find 55. And then I'm going to color everything below the line. All right, so today we had a temperature in the morning of 48 degrees, a temperature in the afternoon at 1:30 of 62 degrees, and now that it's 8 o'clock at night, it's 55 degrees. Which one is the most? Which one is the warmest? If you said afternoon, you're right. The warmest time of the day is usually in the afternoon. It's generally cooler in the morning and cooler at night and warmest in the afternoon. Why would that be, boys and girls? Think about what is high in the sky during the day that is not high in the sky in the morning or at night. If you said the sun, you're right. So in the morning, the sun rises, and then in the afternoon, it's high in the sky, warming up the earth, and then at night, the sun sets, and it cools down again. So the warmest time of the day is in the afternoon. Nice job, boys and girls. See you next time.